To clear the arm area, we will first clear the axillary area. So, placing our fingertips in the middle of the axillary area and sweeping medially superiorly 5 to 8 times. Then we will be holding the wrist with our hand that is closer to the client, and the other one will be sweeping the whole lateral aspect of the arm towards the acromion process. So from the posterior wrist, whole lateral aspect over, we finish over the delts, 5 to 8 strokes. And then we will change hands, supinate their forearm, and we'll be sweeping the medial aspect of their arm from the wrist towards the axilla. Nice and relaxed hand, effleuraging that area. Then we will lift their arm, and what I like to do is I like to just let their forearm hang over my forearm. So while with the other hand, I'll be sweeping over their tricep muscle area from the elbow towards the shoulder. So I'll try to cover as much area as possible, sweeping the posterior aspect of the shoulder in this case. Then I will switch hands. I'll let their forearm hang over my other forearm, and I'll be doing the same thing. I could be sweeping with my thumb, or I could be sweeping this way as well. So from the bicep area. So we try to cover with those 2 strokes the whole area, anterior and posterior aspect of the arm. 5 to 8 strokes. After that, we'll come back to neutral, supinated forearm, and we'll be sweeping the lateral aspect of the forearm towards the antecubital lymph nodes. We also sweep from the posterior aspect of the forearm, so as our hands are cupping the client's forearm. 5 to 8 strokes. Then we switch hands and we'll be sweeping from the medial aspect of the forearm. 5 to 8 strokes. Then we go to the palm area. So we basically hold their hand in above our hands, and we will be sweeping with flat thumbs proximally. So trying to cover the whole palm area. Then we can alternate sweeping thumbs. Then we will pronate the hand, and we do the same on the dorsum of the hand. So first flat, both flat thumbs sweeping proximally towards the wrist, and then alternating thumbs. 5 to 8 strokes. Then finishing stroke is just the same as the starting one. So sweeping the whole lateral aspect of the arm. And then sweeping the middle aspect of the arm. And we bring the arm to the neutral.